Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to tell you that today, to kick off spring, I'm gonna be meeting with some friends and I'll be taking you to a boat ride in the canals of Amsterdam. The weather is so good, let's go to the boat ride, and at the end of the episode, super exciting announcements coming for us all. So I'll hope you stick until the end, and yeah, I'll catch up with you later.
Out now. This you're gonna put. Where's the other one? No, that's fine. That's the connector. No, we're ready. Yeah. So when this turns on, we're moving. Well, we don't want that. I don't want to. We're still connected.
Okay, we have our pillows ready.
Do you want a big one?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if you go a bit.
The name of the boat is Usain Boat. Usain Boat. How cool is this? Ooh, that's a nice shot. Yay!
That's beautiful. Oh, she's feeding the birds. She's feeding them. Really bad for them as well. Bad for their stomach.
Yeah, all the canal houses right on the left. Oh my god, that's so nice.
Right up ahead of us.
In my previous episode, I was right on top of this bridge.
Yes.
Looks so good. brought Corona.
Corona for Corona.
Corona beers. Look at these. These are garages right on the canal. And they put their boats in them. Another gear. That's so interesting. I've never seen that before. This is really low, We're all lying down on the boat so we can fit under the bridge. No, it doesn't. We're gonna die. Era molto schifo. Poi stavamo how are we gonna go on the other side of this beautiful? And now we're getting ready to go home. This boat ride is over. It's the engine, the electric engine of the boat. Boating day is over. Hello from me again. A couple of hours later and our boat ride came to an end. I am actually pretty tired for, I don't know, doing almost nothing all day. We had a very nice time, a lot of fun, a lot of rides around the Amsterdam canals. And now I grabbed a coffee on my way home. So it's time for the big announcement that I promised you at the beginning. Well, turns out the car shows will start happening here in Amsterdam in the 1st of June. They have announced the Amsterdam Motor Show, which is a big event full of amazing cars, and I can't wait to attend. Now, if this is the case, and it will truly happen, because a lot of things can change due to COVID, I will be updating you because I'm planning to do a ticket giveaway so more of you can attend the car show here in Amsterdam. So make sure you keep up with the vlogs And you can also follow me on Instagram, and I will make sure to be updating you about if it's gonna happen, who's gonna go, how I'm gonna be doing the giveaway, so you can at least participate for a chance to win 2 free tickets for the Amsterdam Motor Show of 2021. Yes! Now that was it for me for today. I'm heading home to rest, show you these beautiful flowers here. So thank you for watching my episode. Please don't forget to press the like and subscribe. It really is important for me. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys. Ciao.